Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And want to disable Bluetooth completely from registry and without any software. So if you want to block and disable without any software your Bluetooth, so let's watch this video. So first, click to start and type run. Open this and then type registry. REGIDIT, then click OK. Yes. So first click on file and take backup of your registry. Export and enter any name and select the locations and then save. So this is your registry backup. Okay. Then local machine, extract the local machine, then system, first, second. Okay. Then current control set, extract, then service. Okay, this is service. Find out birth serve. So this is okay. Then this is start. Double click and enter the 4, 3 to 4. Then OK. Then restart your system, and after that you can see your Bluetooth is disabled without any software. And if you want to come back, re-enable, so come to same locations and then double click and enter the value is 3 and then click to OK. And after that again restart your system. Okay. And if you are doing some wrong with your registry, so you have to select this backup, means click on file, import, and then select this backup file and then click to open. So after that it will normalize everything. Yeah. Thank you guys.